Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? I'm absolutely fine. I welcome all of you in today's video tutorial. In the last video tutorial, we completed question number 3, 4, and 5, and we are studying topic fraction walls from Cambridge Primary Mathematics, and it's on page number 95. Today we are going to start question number 6. In this video tutorial, we are going to start question number 6, and that is write 4 statements about the fraction wall using this sign. So look at the fraction wall first. You have a fraction wall on page number 94 also in your book, but it's a little bit different, but it is a big fraction wall here, so you can check. You remember we studied this fraction wall in the previous videos. The first one is 1, then it is half, then 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, 1/7, 1/8, 1/9, and 1/10. You have to check here that which fraction is greater than another one and which fraction is less than another one. So we discussed all these things also, but you have to solve it now. As you can see that 1/2 having a larger portion than 1/3, and 1/3 is having 1/3 is having a larger portion than 1/4. So in this way, check the question. So write 4 statements about the fraction wall using this sign. So I write first one is 1/3 is less than 1/2. So if you look the previous picture fraction wall, so you can easily see that 1/2 having a larger portion. So you can say 1/2 is greater than 1/3, or you can also say 1/3 is less than 1/2, because 1/3 means you have divided one thing into 3 equal pieces, and 1/2 means you have divided one thing into 2 equal pieces. So 1/2 here is greater than 1/3. Next we have 1/4 is less than 1/3, and 1/3 is greater than 1/4. We can say in both ways. So obviously 1/3 means you have divided one thing into 3 equal pieces, and 1/4 means you have divided one thing into 4 equal pieces. In the last videos, I give you the example of chocolate bar. If there is a chocolate and you divide one chocolate into 3 equal pieces, and the same one chocolate divided into 4 equal pieces. So in which time you will get more chocolate? Obviously when it is divided into 3 equal parts. So 1/3 is greater than 1/4, or you can say 1/4 is greater than 1/4 is less than 1/3. These are the two statements. We need to write 2 more. So there is another fraction, and that is 1/8 is less than 1/4, or I can say 1/4 is greater than 1/8. So 1/4 means one thing divided into 4 equal parts, and 1/8 means one thing divided into 8 equal parts. So if you take the same example of a chocolate, if one chocolate is divided into 4 equal parts, you will eat more, rather than if that chocolate is divided into 8 equal parts, so you will eat less. So obviously 1/4 is greater than 1/8, and you can also say 1/8 is less than 1/4. So what is the fourth one now? 1/10 is less than 1/8. So obviously if you divide one thing into 10th pieces, so it will be less than 1/8. The more you divide, the more you increase the denominator, the more the one thing will be divided into so many equal pieces, the less the fraction, the less portion you will have, right? Come to the question number 7. Write 4 statements about the fraction wall using this sign. Okay, so what is the first one? This is the same question like question number 6. So I write here 1/2 is greater than 1/3, or you can say 1/3 is greater than 1/3 is less than 1/2. So 1/2 is having a larger portion, that's why it is greater. When a chocolate is divided into 2 equal parts, so you will have a larger portion rather than when it is divided into 3 equal pieces. The next we have is 1/3 is greater than 1 over 4. So 1 over 3 is the thing where the chocolate bar is divided into 3 equal parts, and 1 over 4 where that chocolate bar is divided into 4 equal parts. So obviously you are going to have a larger portion in 1/3 rather than 1/4. So it is greater than 1 over 3 is greater than 1 over 4, or you can also say that 1 over 4 is less than 1 over 3. Next we have 1 over 4 is greater than 1 over 8. So yes, 1 over 4 is greater than 1 over 8 because 1 over 4 is having a larger portion than 1 over 8, and you can also say 1 over 8 is having a smaller portion than 1 over 4. So 1 over 8 is a smaller fraction than 1 over 4. So guys, for this video we are done. We completed question number 6 and 7 today, and in the next videos we start from question number 8, and then we'll solve further questions of this topic. Up to the next video, take care of yourself, and inshallah I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care.